Today we're at the Langeraarse Plas, and the Dutch Water Authority of Rijnland is working here to increase the water quality. And we have just started a major project to dredge the lake and to create a sediment catcher in the middle of the lake, and also to create a natural zone where we create a shallow area to increase biodiversity here. We are working to improve the water quality and the biodiversity in our area, and we focus on large water systems. And this is one of these large water systems where we try to change the decline of biodiversity into an increase of biodiversity. Well, what makes the project interesting is that we are doing the large-scale part of the project is being done with electric machinery connected to the grid with green energy. So there are 2 points to trying to do this with electric machinery. That's to reduce, of course, CO2 emissions, which is obvious, but also nitrogen emissions. We're very close to a few Dutch nature reserves, and in these nature reserves you see a decline in biodiversity because of nitrogen deposits. And of course the way to change this is to reduce your nitrogen emissions. So that's the second reason we are trying to do this with electrical machinery. It's difficult to get electricity to a lake. So you need to create a station on land, and then you have to roll out the cables on the bottom of the lake towards the stations on water. Of course, this is, there are risks involved, so you have to take certain measurements to prevent anything dramatic from happening. But in the end we managed, and now we have the grid laid out on the water, we have the electricity stations on the water, and we can start dredging and excavating. The nice thing about a small community like this is people are really involved with their surroundings, and let's say 99% of the people are in support of what we're doing and quite enthusiastic about the work we've already done and what we are starting now.